today we're gonna make pizza. What's the first ingredient, Mom?
Hello, welcome to our new vlog again, guys. And for today's video, we're going to make another puto, but this time it's a puto cake. It's a different version of puto. And for that ingredients, only we need this. So we need cake flour, fresh milk, white sugar, and baking powder. First, we need to strain the cake flour. Okay.
I'll put salt in.
Actually, we can add also the baking
Soda.
baking powder.
Can be good.
After that, we can add also the sugar.
I wanna do sugar.
Okay, by the way, guys, for the cake flour, we use 1.5 cup and 1 tablespoon baking powder, and for the white sugar, 1/2 cup of sugar. And then we can mix together, combine together. So the fresh milk, this is
I drank
1
some.
cup as well.
I drank something. Oh, it looks amazing. Whoa. Awesome.
So it's almost smooth. So this is already smooth. Now we can set aside and we can prepare the meringue. Okay, guys, for the meringue, we need to have 6 eggs, all white. Okay, guys, for the meringue, make sure there's no shell or egg yolk because it's very sensitive. By the way, guys, because I don't have a cream of tartar, I will add a little bit pink. You can use lemon or use also white vinegar. Just to add the white vinegar. And if it's already soft, we can add slowly the white sugar.
Can I pour it on?
Just put half. Add half on. Enough. So I think this is fine. So hindi na siya nahuhulog. I think this is fine.
And can I have some, Mom?
So now, guys, we can mix a little bit of meringue here. After that, we can add all here. Because this container is too big, so I'm going to transfer in this small container. Then we will mix evenly. Okay, it's ready. We're going to transfer. Okay, guys, so I have this pan only available right now. I place also some parchment para hindi siya mag-stick. It's easy to remove later. So now we're ready. We're going to transfer here. Okay guys, because I still have extra, I can keep in this different container. So I will place here and I will add some water. You can add warm water or hot water, it's depend to you. And we're going to place now in the oven.
Okay guys, my mom will put it in the oven. Let's go check. The oven, do you see the oven? See the oven guys, very hot. Mom,
Okay, so after 15 minutes, we're going to put garnish on top.
let me see. Wow! Maganda!
Okay guys, we will add some cheese on top. And some salted egg. And the other one without egg because my husband doesn't like salted egg.
Hello.
Hi.
Look down.
What are you doing?
Look down. Whee!
And we can cook another 5 minutes to get a little bit melted. So, okay guys, here we go. It's already cooked.
Finger crossed. Finger crossed, guys.
And we will add a little bit more cheese to make it looks good and yummy.
I want some cheese on it. Get it, Mom. Okay, guys, now let's taste it. Come on.
Okay, let's try.
Maganda. Okay.
So here's our puto cake. Let's check. What's the taste?
Good. Eggy. Guys for watching. We'll see you in this video. Chupa chupa.
Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.